Now students, please look at question number 5 of page number 161. In a classroom, 4 students are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure 7.8. Shamba and Shameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Shamba asks Shameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Shambeli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay, here there is a graph given in the textbook, figure 7.8. Question number 5. In that first, we need to find out the coordinates of the point A, B, C and D. So, observing this graph, we can see that the coordinates of the point A, on x-axis it is 3 and on y-axis it is 4, isn't it? So, the x-coordinate is 3 and y-coordinate it is 4. Now, coordinates of B it is what? X-coordinate it is 6 and y-coordinate it is 7, isn't it students? So that is B is 6, 7. Similarly, coordinates of C, it is what? 9, 4, isn't it? On x-axis it is 9 and on y-axis it is 4. So that is x-coordinate 9 and y-coordinate it is 4. And the coordinates of D, that's what? X-coordinate it is 6 and y-coordinate it is 1. Okay. Now the question here is to check whether the given quadrilateral ABCD forms a square or not. Okay, so for that we have to first find the length of each side of the quadrilateral. Okay, we have to find AB, BC, CD and DA. So the using distance formula we will be able to find the length of each sides, isn't it? Now, once if we get all the sides are equal, all the sides are same, can we say that it's a square? No, we have to also show that the diagonals, the length of the diagonals are also equal. For that, in ABCD we have to find AC and BD. Length of AC and BD also must be equal. Okay students, so first we will find the length of each sides. So AB. So here, to get AB, length of AB, using distance formula we have, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, isn't it? So applying distance formula we will get that is equal to what? Root of, here AB, x2 it is 6 and x1 that is 3 whole square plus y2 that is 7 minus y1 it is 4 whole square. That is equal to what? Root of 6 minus 3 that is 3 square, isn't it? Plus 7 minus 4 that's again 3 square. Okay, so 3 square it is 9, so that is equal to what? 9 plus 9 equal to root of 18. Okay students, root 18 we can write it as what? That is 3 root 2. Hope it is clear, isn't it? Root 18, once if we do the prime factorization, 2 into 9 is 18. Now 3 into 3, 3 into 1. So taking 3 outside the square root, we can write root 18 as 3 root 2. Similarly, we can find BC, length of BC, again applying distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, carefully you need to substitute here x2, it is BC, so x2 it is 9 minus x1 it is 6 whole square plus y2 it is 4 minus y1 it is 7 whole square. Okay, so that will be what? Root of 9 minus 6 that is 3 square plus 4 minus 7 that is minus 3 square. Okay, so that is equal to what? Again 3 square it is 9, here also minus 3 square it is 9, 9 plus 9 that is 18. So root 18 that is equal to what? Again we will get that is 3 root 2. Okay, now we got AB, it is 3 root 2, and BC is also 3 root 2. Now we need to check the other remaining sides, that is CD. Okay, applying distance formula again, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substituting the values, C, D, this is the points. So C from D, x2 it is 6 minus x1 it is 9 whole square plus y2 it is 1 minus 4 whole square. Okay, so that is equal to what? 6 minus 9, that is minus 3 square, that is minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4, that's again minus 3. So here also it will be minus 3 square, isn't it, students? So that's equal to what? Root of minus 3 square, it is 9 plus 9, that is equal to what? Root 18 equal to 3 root 2. Okay. Now we found AB, BC, CD, and finally we'll find AD also. Okay, so for AD again applying distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, that is equal to root of x2. AD we are finding, so x2 it is 6 minus x1 it is 3 whole square plus y2 that is 1 minus y1 it is 4 whole square. Okay, students, that is equal to root of 6 minus 3, that is 3 square plus 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 square. Okay, so 3 square, that is root of 9 plus again minus 3 square, that is 9. So root 9, it is root 9 plus 9, that is root 18. Okay, root 18 we can write it as what? Root 18, that is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, so now we got AB, BC, CD and AD, or the sides are equal. Okay, so we can say that since all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal, we can say that the quadrilateral is a rhombus. Okay, if all the sides are equal, it will be a rhombus only. To prove it as a square, we have to find that, we have to show that its diagonals are also equal, isn't it? So we have to find the length of diagonals. Now rub this. So here ABCD, what are the diagonals? AC and BD, isn't it? Diagonals means if this is a quadrilateral ABCD, we proved that the length of each side, that is 3 root 2, AB it is 3 root 2, BC it is 3 root 2, CD it is 3 root 2, and AD also we found that is 3 root 2. But if we want to show that it's a square, if we want to show that ABCD is a square, we have to find the length of diagonals, isn't it? So that is, we have to find AC and BD also. Okay, students. So AC, to get AC here, applying distance formula again, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to x2, that is what? Root of, what is x2 here? AD, so it is 6 minus, sorry, AC, no, so AC it is 9 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus 4 minus 4, isn't it? Whole square. So that is equal to what? Root of 9 minus 3 square, that is 6 square plus 4 minus 4, that is 0. Okay, students, that is equal to what? Root of 6 square, that is root 36, that is equal to 6 we got. So length of AC we got 6. So similarly, we need to find what? AC we got. Now the second diagonal, that is BD. Okay, so we will find BD now. Again applying distance formula, we have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to, substituting the values, we will get root of x2 BD. So from D, x2 it is 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2, that is 1 minus 7 whole square. Okay, students. So that's equal to what? Root of 6 minus 6, that is 0, plus 1 minus 7 minus 6 square. That's equal to root of minus 6 square, that is root 36. That is equal to 6. Okay, students. Now finally we found that the diagonals, both the diagonals of the rhombus is equal. So we can say that the rhombus is a square. Okay, hope it is clear. So first we need to find the length of all the four sides. If all the four sides are equal, if you want to say that the quadrilateral is a square, we should find the length of each diagonals as well. Okay, now we found that both the diagonals are also equal. So finally we can say that the given quadrilateral is a square. Okay, so the answer is Shampa is correct. Okay, please take this to your notebook, students.